Hello, cottage food entrepreneurs! Canning is a great way to preserve your products, but only when it's done safely. If done incorrectly, it can lead to risky or even deadly home canned food products. Be sure to follow these tips to ensure your customers' safety. Follow current, tested recipes, like those from the USDA Complete Guide to Home Canning. You can find a free copy of the guide online or purchase one like this on Amazon. Do not use outdated cookbooks or family recipes as they may not meet today's safety standards. Using the proper canning equipment can produce a fantastic shelf-stable food product. Using the wrong method, like boiling water canners for low-acid foods such as meats and vegetables, can be life-threatening. It is important to understand that boiling water canners do not protect against botulism poisoning. This bacteria, Clostridium botulinum, can survive in canned food and produce a toxin that can affect your nerves, cause paralysis, and even death. Ingesting even a small amount of contaminated food can be deadly. The symptoms of botulism poisoning may include double vision, blurred vision, drooping eyelids, slurred speech, difficulty swallowing, dry mouth, and muscle weakness. Seek medical attention immediately if you suspect you may have botulism poisoning. Always use pressure canners or cookers when producing cottage food. Using the right equipment for the type of food you are canning is important. For instance, you must use a pressure canner for low-acid foods like salsas with onions, garlic, and peppers. Make sure your pressure canner's gauge is accurate before each use. Processing times depend on the type of food, jar size, and whether you're hot packing or raw packing. Follow the USDA chart found in the USDA Complete Guide to Home Canning exactly. No shortcuts. Never eat canned food if the jar is leaking, bulging, cracked, spurting liquid when opened, or smells bad. Discoloration or mold is also a red flag. And remember, never taste food to test its safety. If you suspect a jar is unsafe, discard it without opening or puncturing it. Your and your customers' health are worth more than a single batch. Safe canning protects more than just your food. It safeguards your business, your reputation, and the trust of every customer you serve.